Step number one, open your Chrome and then type in Payoneer.com and then click enter. Once you click enter, click on open your account and then be taken to step number two. Click on register and be taken to a Payoneer sign up page. And here we are getting started. Select your type of a business account that you're creating. This time around, it's an individual business account. Now the first name, the last name, and then the date of birth, all those things must match on the ones that on a government issued ID. So what you are going to do, enter all those names, the last name and the first name. And once you finish entering your last name, this time around, let us first put the date of birth and fill in that information right there. So we got the date of birth and make sure that it matches on a government issued document and then click next. So once you click next, you'll be taken to another page where you're supposed to enter your email address. Now the email address here, the first one that I used is that it is the email address that I used to create my first account. So I'm going to delete that one because I cannot use the same email address to create two different accounts. So I'm going to use a different email address this time around. And after re-entering your email address, click on next and you'll be taken to another page. Step number three, that is the contact details. So we are going to enter our contact details, including the city or town. Please enter the city that you're living in, and if you don't know the street number, please you can go to Google and then search for one. This time around I'm going to search for one and I see what exactly Google brings for me. So, and please, after searching, click enter and then be taken to that page. Now these are the street numbers that are there, so please you can choose one and then you go back to the sign up page. So let me enter the first street that I saw on the page, and after entering it right there, please, there's this section of the postal code. If you don't know it, you can still go to Google and get one from there. So please search for the zip code around the city that you're living in. So this time around I'm living in Kampala. I can search for that zip code and I click on that. I go to a page where there will be a lot of zip codes around Kampala, and probably for the meantime, let me choose this one, the first one that on the list, and I go back to the sign up page and then enter that zip code right there. So please, there's this section of the mobile number. You can enter your mobile number right there, and after entering your mobile number, that is the one that you are going to use to get the verification code. You click send the code and then enter that code right there. After entering that code right there, you can click on next and go to another page. So that's step number four. That's where we are going to enter our security details. Here, that is includes the password and the security question. So the password must meet some criteria. Please enter that password right there and re-enter that very password right there. Make sure it's a strong password because you're going to be using this one to make transactions that includes high amounts of money. So when you go to the security question, please, you can choose one that you can easily remember when it is time to recover your account. So you can please enter that security code right there. So now, after entering the security code, you can click on next and you'll be taken to another page. That is step number 5. So we are almost done here. Now we are entering the bank details. That is the bank name, the SWIFT code, and then the account number. So enter that bank code, that bank name right there, and then enter the account number. This is the confidential information that I'm supposed to hide from people out there. So after entering that number right there, so please go to Google and search for the SWIFT code if you don't know it offhand. So I'm going to search for the SWIFT code of the bank that I'm using to make transactions. So after click on that, click on enter, and then we shall copy the 11 digits right here. So to save time, we are going to highlight that and right click, and we are going to copy that, and then we shall go back to our sign up page. So here we are going to paste that, but we cannot enter all the 11 digits. Yes, it is between 8 and 11, but the last 2 digits are the same. So we are going to delete them, and then we shall submit our information. We are almost done. So after submitting the information, we are in the last step, and that is the verification step. So here our account is under the review, it's under the process of review. So we are going to go back to Google and enter our email address so that we sign into our email to see whether we need to verify our email. So the email is already there. We need to click on that and verify that email address. So thank you for successfully verifying your email. So we shall go back to our inbox to check whether they have given us a deadline for activating our account. And once you go back to email after that time, you will see that you have to sign into your account and it has fully operational and verified. So you're going to click on sign up and enter the email address and the password. Click sign in, and that is the account that is already approved. So what you're going to do here, you're going to subscribe to the channel, and please, if there's anything that you want to know, you can reach me out in the comment section. I'll be able to help you. And yeah, so see you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.